Coming to the end of our trip. We're literally taking pictures and then gonna get heading off back to England. I'm not gonna lie, I don't mind it. I'm tired as hell, man. Look at my eyes. The eyes of a man that's done a lot at Disney. Here's the castle for the last time. Enjoy. Sad.
I'm excited to leave.
Yes, I was just telling them how excited I am to leave.
I'm looking forward to leaving, but I'm also sad to leave.
But we'll come back. We'll come again. Probably like in 2 years. I'll never check this place out. Casey's Corner. I'm gonna do like hot dogs in there. And then Gibson's Girl. Must be like also, I think it's like an ice cream place. Yeah, no, she's so nice, man. These decorations up here are pretty awesome. We've got some pretty cool decorations up there. But yeah, guys, come to Main Street. So many shops, especially sweet treats as well. And sometimes they do like snow at certain times, like fake snow. Yeah, this time was bubbles, but last time was like fake snow and like play music with it. Proper cool. And last but not least, you got the massive tree right in front of you, right here. It's huge, man. Come prepared, come with a plan, so you're not going around like a headless chicken. We really planned our trip out. Well, thanks to Sophie's planned it really well. So because of that, we've got to do quite a lot of stuff that we want to do like that. That's some fantastic sceneries. I'm definitely gonna miss this place for sure. Definitely one of the most magical places we've been to. But we've got more trips to do. The Munianga family, we're always traveling around. You know, we're gonna check England now, see what England's got to offer, like seasides and stuff like that. And little excursions around, like, you know, cities, Manchester, Liverpool. Yeah, man, we really try to diversify our content. Oh, look at this. Let's go carry on. Mrs. Close is there apparently. Look at this massive tree. I'm not kidding, this is huge. That is some serious thing. Look at the size of that. And it keeps going up. Crazy business, man. So like, when you look under the tree, you've got like cool presents and little bits and bobs. £555.
No, let's actually look now, you said that. Oh, we didn't go back to Orchard and get the advent calendars. Oh, this is an advent calendar. Probably still got time, what's it say?
£150.
Oh, wow. I thought it was going to be at least 300.
Yeah, same. That was actually reasonable
This
before.
is cute. You get little chocolates and anything worse than drinking out.
The massive cups, yeah.
You see what I mean about deep but skinny?
Yeah,
So
so
it's
keep
not
warm.
fat, it's not a massive cup of tea, but it's not shallow, so it's going to get cold.
And this is the mug I want. The Groot mug.
I am Groot.
I am Groot. Just a simple one. This you're looking at 50 quid. We've got the menu in the back. It's a Lego Mickey. 66 pounds. Serious.
It looks like they've updated them. These are the things that we got last time.
Okay, it looks a bit more better.
It does look a bit better quality, doesn't it?
Yeah. Last time we wrote. bought that. It will break in like in 2
We
seconds.
bought two, so it's what, like 50 quid.
For those who cares about dolls, doll is £25 for dolls like this. So, you got plenty of dolls. I don't know all the names, but you know, you see it here. Yours truly, Way. You got these Arnold dolls. You're looking at £35 for this. If he got, if he's got his bow.
Makes noises.
Nice. Well, that's what they got. Chippendale, Paris. What's Lonzo got? You get Lonzo a Stitch? Stitch. Yeah, it's the Stitch one we haven't got, yeah? Then get that one then. For Lonzo.
Not that one.
The Lonzo one, yeah? No. Getting that. Oh, that's it. We've got our souvenirs and all sorts, so we're now going to be heading off home essentially.
Who's that for?
What'd you get?
Who's that for?
Candy. Disney in the style. Hello. Smells so nice in here, man. Is that the jacket you wanted?
Yes.
Oh, there you go.
Inside.
It's not that bad, is it? Cool, put something in there. I think these are like 100 quid each. 100 quid, yep, as I thought. One day we'll buy one of these for sure. I think the girls will definitely enjoy that. How much are we looking at? 50 quid for that. I'll tell you though, it smells so nice in there.